So hello guys, I am Rudra, your new YouTuber. My channel name is Rockstar Rudrado. Please like and please subscribe it and like this video. So today I am going to tell you some tips for PES 2020, means Pro Evolutionary Soccer 2020. You you know this game. Many uh, many people play this game. I also play this game. I love this game very much. So today I'm going to give you some tips for it. So first we will play some campaign. In campaign, sim match means play as a manager. You will be the manager of the team, and an action match you will play by controlling the players. You can see it action match by controlling the players, sim match play as the manager. You can see it. So in campaign you get very much GP points. You can see this in G 17,170. These are the GP points which you get after completing every campaign level. So in campaign you have 10 match days. I have played one yesterday, but I will tell you one. Okay, so in campaign level, after completing 10 match days, you receive GP points, as it is dependent on the current points, the points you have. If you get 16 points, you can get 24,000 GP points. It's simple. So let's start. So I will show you my team. I have many players, and we can see the opponent teams also. So you can see I have very Neymar, Muller, this Busquets, Kimmich, Fernandinho, then Pavard, Ter Stegen, Godin. I have many players, but I am today taking Karim Benzema. This is my favorite player. I have Ibrahimovic too. So let's start the game. It's starting. Juventus versus FC Barcelona. My stadium name is Juventus Stadium. So let's start. It will be my start. Karim Benzema. So I always give through. You can see this through. Okay. So always first I will show you how to score a goal. Okay. Then I will show you defense and other things. So now see. First, when you have to take the ball, you should pressure and keep pressing it. So your player will go towards the uh, towards the opponent's player and take the ball like this. You saw it. This was a foul because I interrupted him. Now it's a free kick. Nice save by my goalkeeper. Now I will show you how to score a goal. Now there is so I will go. Now see, you saw there was no player, so I can't score the goal because you saw that Karim Benzema was the one player who was at the forward, and he cannot go alone because the opponent would have taken the ball from him. So I will now, it's a corner, so I will now swipe like this. Now I have to score a header. Oh, just over it. So this was the corner. Now he will score a volley. In volley, you have many types. high punt, and others. Now see how to take the ball. Now I will put pressure. Now he will take the ball from him. See how he took the ball from him? You saw, no? Now we have to go forward. Now press the through button. Oh, he came in the between. He's an intelligent player, I think. Oh, it's a foul. Now it's again a free kick. He gave a yellow card for what? Oh, it's a goal kick. This was a goal for him, but it didn't take the chance. Now, if you want to score a goal, never do volley. Now I will show you if you do volley what happens. Now see, the ball will not come to me. It will go to the off player. Now saw it went to the other player. I 95% it goes to the other player. So only 5% it comes to you, I think. Whenever I play, the ball goes to the opponent player only. But this time it has come to me. Oh yes, I took the ball. Now press the through button. He again interrupted. Now see, click the dash button. If you want to, don't do. Now see, I gave the ball pass to Neymar. Now Neymar will go to Karam Benzema. Then Karam, if you want, if you want to go fast, then press this dash button. This big button you can see. Now see, it will come blue in. That means the player is dashing. Okay. Now this is how you can play the PES. Now I will show you when the ball will come to me. I will show you how to do the. Oh, he is too intelligent. It's saved by my keeper. My keeper is very intelligent. So it's half time. So in half time there is many change. You can make changes, but I don't want to make changes. I'll play with this team only. It starts now. You have to go. Take the ball from him. Took it. Oh, it's a foul again. Every time gives the foul. What a referee is. Oh, it's a free kick. Take the ball. Oh. Now give the pass. Now do the dash, and when you come closer, the player comes closer, then press the through button. When opponent player comes close to you, then or come close to you, then only the through button, or else don't press. Now see, I will show you. This is coming close to me. I didn't press it, so this happened. That's why I'm telling you. So don't do like that. Go. Now see, he's close to me, so I didn't go to the dash button. Oh, just missed the goal. Now you can score a goal from here. I missed it. Now I have to take the ball again. Take. Oh, just missed. See, now I will press the clear button. Clear means the ball will just go forward so that the clear is made and no the I am free from the danger zone, or else he would have just goal. He had one goal then. Now go dash. Now he's coming close to me. Then I will put a goal. The goalkeeper came and took the ball. If you see the goalkeeper is coming close, then I think you can't score the goal. So first don't first point is that if the goalkeeper, if you are close to the D line, then don't give the through pass, or else it will be a offside, or the goalkeeper will take the ball in his hands. So that is why don't press it. Now it's a corner wala. It's a corner. So in corner, if the player is coming forward, he will give the pass to the player. Now see, he gave the pass to the player. Now when he, nice save, dash. If you press the through button already, the player will put all his efforts to keep the ball away from the offside zone. So it's only 1 minute left. Goal. Oh, it's again missed. Oh, so it's a full time. So now I will show you how to gain more my club coins, and I got 1 point because it was a tie. I got 660 GP. Now I will show you. The contract is expired. I will sign. If you want to if you want to renew your contract, then go here and just pay it. Always keep your contract of 20 on your main players. Don't waste him on just all black ball. Black ball means very main players like Messi, Ronaldo. I don't have them, but you can see Karim Benzema, see Neymar. They have black ball. Where is Benzema? See, Benzema has a black ball. You can see it? Yes. See, Arthur and Rodri. So, see, all have black ball, which are very main players. You can see. So, now I will show you how to gain GP and my. Now see, wait. Okay. Now, if your GP is very, means your this gold, no, not gold, this blue is very low, don't worry. You should go in, you should play this campaign, complete 10 match days, and then you will get more GP. This is how you can gain GP, and or you can go in achievements, see the achievements, number of matches in a day, complete 5 matches in a day, number of wins. You can do 3 wins in a day, you can sign 3 players. And now my club coins. If your club coins are less and you want players also, but you don't have my club coins, so in match, then go in eFootball. You saw there was written get more my club coins. So this is how you can gain more club coins. Go in match day, then join, Then which of you need take? I love Juventus, so I take Juventus. Now see the rewards. It's Scout Italy. Uh, if you want club coins, it also gives 500 club coins. So that is how you can gain more club coins. So this is all for today. But one thing, if you want players, go here in sign which of the players you want. You can take any club. See, this is the iconic moment Manchester United. You will get the players of Manchester United and other players also. I also got one. So but if your G means my club coins are 200, so don't take any players. If it is 200, then only take the players. If it is below 200, then don't take. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you guys. Bye.